Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to make a Doodle app. Now, let us know what is a Doodle app. What do you mean by Doodle? It is a kind of freehand drawing. So, with the same, we are going to make an app there. You can also make it the freehand drawing on that app also. So, let's start. The very first, we'll start the MIT app inventor page and we'll click on create apps. Then a new window will open and it will tell you about it will show you all the previous projects and it will open the previously opened window. Now we have to click on projects and we can click on start new project. Then we are going to give the name of the project as Doodle app. The moment we press OK, a project under the name Doodle app is created. Now, what are we going to do? The first of all, we are going to select we are going to select in the palette option. We'll go to the drawing and animation and we'll select the canvas. Click on that, drag and insert it on the screen. Now, as you can see, the canvas, it is only up to a corner of the screen. So what are we going to do? We're going to click on, go to the properties and we'll click on height and width. We'll adjust that. So starting with the height option, we'll click on fill parent and we'll click on OK. Similarly, we're going to click on width option and we'll click on fill parent and OK. In this way, you will see the canvas is now the complete in the entire screen. Next, what are we going to do? We are going to insert a non-visible component, which is the accelerometer. And where can we get that? We'll click on sensors and there we have accelerometer. We'll just directly click on that, drag and insert it. So that is it. That is all we need in the design part. Now let's move to the coding part. We'll click on blocks and we'll select the canvas. There you will see the very first option, when canvas drag. We'll click on that, drag and place it here. Now inside this, what do we want? We have to draw a line. Alright, we are going to do the drawing with the help of line. So we'll click on canvas again and here you will see the option canvas, call canvas, draw line. Click on that, drag and insert it here. Next we are going to do what? We are going to insert the previous and current data. So in x1, as you can see, x1, y1, x2, y2. x1 and y1 is the previous data and x2 and y2 is the current data. So we'll click on this previous x and we'll select get previous x, drag and place it on the x1. Then we'll click on previous y, click on get previous y and drag and insert it here. Now similarly for x2 and y2, we'll click on current x and we'll select get current x, drag and place it here. And same is for the y. We'll use get current y. So in this way we are connecting our this. Doodle app. Alright. Now this is the very first part. Now if you want, we have also used accelerometer. What is that? Like once we have drawn it, once we have done all the drawing, then we also want to erase the content. For that we'll use click on accelerometer, and we'll click on when accelerometer shaking. That is, when we shake our phones, then whatever content we have made, it will get deleted. For that we'll click on canvas and we'll select call canvas dot clear. Click on it and insert it here. So this was about the designing part, and this is the simple level, like level 1, that is the easy one, and we have created that. Now it's done. We can also do some modification, or we can move to the second level, like we can make it a bit hard. What we can do, we can give the color of the pen which we are going to use. How can we do that? We'll first select layout. We'll use horizontal arrangement. Place it under your canvas. Then we'll select the width as the width of the screen. Now what are we going to do? We are going to add colors. For that we'll select first the buttons. We'll insert first button, and we are going to rename it as the name of the color, let's say red. And similarly the text will be 0, that will remove the text. And what are we going to do? We are going to add the color as red. Similarly we'll select another button, place it here, rename it as by the other name of the color like blue, and remove the text and set the color as blue. You can insert any color, any number of colors you want. Let's say I'll click on one more, and I'll click on one more. For this one I'm going to rename it as green, and for green I'm going to set the color as the green, and we can remove the content text also. Now last one, we are going to name it as black. So we are going to set the color as black, and we'll remove the text. Now this is the modification we have done in this. Next we'll move on to the coding part. We need to write the code for each colored pen. For that I'll click on blocks, and there we'll open this window. Now we'll write the code for each of the pen color. First we'll select red. There we're going to use when red click. Then what should happen? We're going to set the canvas color to red. For that we'll move to set canvas. Yes, you'll see the option of set canvas paint color. Yes, click on it and insert it here. And the color which we are going to select is with the help of colors option. Red it is for, so we'll select red. Same we are going to do for other colors also. We can duplicate this, and we can do the modification. Like I'll change it to blue, and I'll click on color and I'll set it as blue. Then again I'll duplicate this. For that we'll now select black color, and we'll switch to black. Then one more, for this the remaining color is green, and we're going to set the color as green. Alright, so with this our design is also, our coding part is also completed. Now you can check this app by you can open this with the help of MIT App Inventor. You'll click on connect, and then you'll go to AI companion. Then what you have to do, you just have to scan this QR code in your MIT App Inventor on your phone. Then the moment it gets scanned, it will take a few seconds. After that, this app will start running on your phone. You'll be able to draw any doodle. If you don't want to follow this step, you can download the app also. You can click on build option, and you can click on Android app. When we click on this, you will see the progress bar. What does this mean? It means now our project is getting converted into app, and it is going to take some time. And once it gets finally converted, you can download it and you can install it in your phones, or you can scan the QR code which will be shown and on your phones, and you can just the app will get downloaded on its own. As you can see, it is showing it is taking some time. It's showing compiling, and please wait. So we'll wait for few seconds. Yes. See, these are the two options. You can select either of them and you can get the app. If you want to share it, you can share that also. Alright. So this was about the Doodle app. Follow these steps to create your own app also. And you can do the modification according to you. Like you can change the color if you want, or you can add more colors here. It totally depends on you. Alright. So that is it for this video. Thank you.